Hi guys! Today I'm going to make you an easy weeknight recipe. Crispy tofu with peppers. You can use any color peppers, red, yellow, orange, green. I'm using red and orange today. Cut up into about 1-inch size pieces. A yellow onion cut up into the same size. Grated ginger and grated garlic. I'm using firm tofu. When you get tofu in a container like this, it's going to be in liquid. Firm or extra firm tofu is best for this recipe. I'll just drain the liquid. I'm putting the tofu on a towel. Just press to get some of the moisture off. You don't have to do too much to it. If you want, you could put a plate on top and then a can or something heavy like a pickle jar on top and leave that for a few minutes while you prepare the other ingredients. I've just absorbed the moisture like this and cooked it right away, and that's fine too. If you cook a lot of tofu, of course, you can invest in a tofu press. We'll mix up a sauce and set it aside while we cook the tofu. Soy sauce. I'm using low sodium soy sauce, rice wine vinegar, hoisin, chili sauce for some heat. You can use sriracha or whatever chili sauce you'd like. And sesame oil. Give that a mix. You can taste this and add more chili sauce if you would like. I've cut the tofu into big cubes. And I'm going to coat them in cornstarch. This way they'll get a little crispy. Just roll them around in cornstarch. The tofu can be cut into whatever size you want. If you cut them too small, it's just too many pieces to fry and coat. Just takes a little bit longer, that's all. I've cut this block of tofu into 24 cubes. Start with about 1/4 cup of cornstarch and use more if you need to. All the tofu cubes have been coated. Now we'll fry them. Heat up a wide pan. Pour in enough oil to coat the bottom of the pan. When the oil is hot, add the tofu. Make sure your pan is big enough to hold all the pieces. This is a 12-inch wide pan. I was going to use my 10.5, but this is much better. It'll fit all the pieces without overcrowding. You want them to fry nicely, not steam. About 2 minutes on each side. These are nice and crispy on top. They will try and stick if you put them too close together, so make sure you don't do that. Otherwise, you'll have to spend time separating them. That looks good. About 2 minutes on the top and bottom. You can do all sides if you want to. If you use a little bit more oil, they'll come up halfway up the side, so you won't have to do all of the sides, just the top and bottom. I've got them nice and crispy on all sides. We'll turn the heat off and remove the tofu, set it on a plate. They're really good. They're very crunchy. We don't need this much oil to fry the peppers and onions, so I'll remove some of the oil. So we have about 2 tablespoons left. When the pan is hot, add the onion and the peppers. Cook this for just 2 minutes and add the ginger and garlic. Mix that up. Add the tofu. Whisk the sauce. Add that in. Cover and cook for just about a minute. You can taste this and add more soy sauce or chili sauce if you'd like. I added a little bit more soy sauce. You see how quickly that cooked? You can add some cilantro or green onions. The vegetables are crisp tender, the tofu's still crispy, and you saw how quickly everything came together. I hope you cook this for your weeknight dinner and let me know how it turned out. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.